Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Red Queen of Hearts from Descendants on Just to Impress. So I'm just going to remove everything here. I did no adjustments, I think, and let's get started with the video. For the hair, I used this hair in this color 66211F. I did use a Roblox item as well as VIP. Then I used this dress in the non-see-through in this color. I think I'm just going to do a brighter one. I think 5A0B0C instead, because I think that one was a little bit too dark. Then I'm just going to use this top in that same color. I might add in some of the darker reds as well here, maybe just like a little bit. And then I'm going to also add this dress here with the roses in that same color. Then I'm just going to use these for the gloves in no fur, in red in silk. Then I'm going to add this glove to, not the glove, the like, I don't know, roasting in like a darker color. Then for the necklace, I'm going to be using this one, this currency item here in these reds. Like that. Then I'm also going to use the heart necklace too, and like a darker red for this one. And then I'm going to go to VIP to get the like cape here. So no cape, and then I'm just going to color that the same for everything here. And then lastly, we just need this crown in like a dark red, like so. And that is pretty much it. You can add more floof to the skirt if you'd like to, but I'm gonna just keep it this way. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.